Jackie M from the Mornington Peninsula. How did you go doing these paintings? Did it help your painting at all? What sort of painter were you before?
Oh my gosh, it fabulously helped me out heaps. So I sort of dabbled in painting over the years, like abstract, just doing different sort of subject matters, but never flowers. And I just really felt, aligned to painting flowers, know how to do it. It's very messy, and came across Jackie's workshop, and it was just brilliant. It's taught me so much about just follow the process and step by step, and techniques and brush strokes and colour mixing, and I think colour mixing was big for me, and just having the confidence and not to give up. At some points it can be very frustrating to think, am I going to get there? But you're just going to believe in yourself and keep going, and Jackie's is so supportive and helpful in helping, finishing touches to your painting.
Fantastic. And you were telling me you showed your husband this painting you did, which is the first painting you did out of the two. Mm-hmm. This one took about 3 days or so, was the initial training, and this one took about a day or so. Mm. So when you showed him this picture, and he'd come back from camping with the kids, he's a school teacher, it wasn't very well, and but you took him some soup, and then you showed him the painting, and what did he say?
Oh my gosh, Jackie, he was so shocked and surprised. Like I said, hey, he's like, what have you been doing? How's your art workshop going? I said, fabulous. And I showed him the photo that I take of my painting, and he goes, that's the photo, but where's your painting? And I'm like, that is the painting. He's like, oh my gosh, that is amazing. And what's actually done for him is the confidence in me, because he sees that I've got, I transferred my daughter's studio into an art thing, and I'm sort of messing around, and I haven't been really confident to show him my paintings as yet. But he's like, based on what I did here, he's like, when we move, hopefully, at some point, he goes, I am going to put a studio as part of buying a house. So
wow.
He's developed all this confidence in me. He goes, I'm really believing. And he's like, I think you should, if you're going to sell this painting for about $9,000, and I nearly fell over. So,
I think $1,350 would be good.
Yeah, well, I thought 200, but anyway. Because I just didn't have the confidence, and I think Jackie installed the confidence, and just with my husband, and he's a very big critic, so it's really boosted my confidence. And,
so good.
Yeah.
You've got something so positive at home to brew up between you. He's going to help you make a studio, and you're going to do paintings, and it's all fabulous.
Totally. And the other thing is, on this, I'm going to, I just went, I need to go to the next step and do Jackie's blooming workshop, online one.
Oh yeah, cool. Well, I'd love to have you and love to see you continue. So going from strength to strength. Awesome work. Well done. Woohoo. Thanks, Jackie.